Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another Inkscape tutorial for beginners. I am Shahid Shaikh. In today's tutorial, I will be demonstrating how to create an impossible square. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel to get my all latest tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Open up the Inkscape. Now first I will go to the file, document properties, display units I will set to the pixels, units also pixels, border show page border I will uncheck this one. Cancel this. Now come here to the view. Make sure you have custom selected. Zoom 101. Now open up this align and distribute object. Also this one. Edit object color gradient. Now come here to the align and distribute. From this drop down, make sure you have last selected. Now first I will create a square. To create a square, Now first I will create a square. To create a square, select this, create rectangles and squares. Now by holding Ctrl and Shift in the keyboard, I will draw a square, maybe that far. Select this one, bring this here, bring opacity to the half, change the color, let's give it black color. Now come here to the stroke style, from this drop down select pixels. Now I will make a duplicate of this. To duplicate, we can simply right click, duplicate, or we can use keyboard shortcut which is Ctrl D. Select this one. Now again select this one. Now I will make a duplicate, right click, duplicate, change the color. Now by holding Ctrl and Shift in the keyboard, I will drag this inward to make it smaller, maybe that far. Now again I will make a duplicate of this, right click, duplicate, change the color. Now by holding Ctrl and Shift in the keyboard, I will drag this inward to make it smaller. That far is good. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. Now come here to the snapping section, enable the snapping. Now come here, enable this one, snap to path, and also this one, snap to path intersection. Now come here, select this bezier pen tool. Now bring this here, select here. Now bring this by holding Ctrl in the keyboard, bring this down out of the graphic like this, select, enter, select this one. Now come here to the stroke pen, give it a flat color. Now come here to the stroke style, give it a value of 1. Now by holding Ctrl in the keyboard, bring this upward. Graphic. Now make a duplicate of this, right click, duplicate, bring this here. When it gets snapped here, leave it. Now by holding Ctrl in the keyboard, bring this upward. Now again make a duplicate of this, right click, duplicate, place it here. When it gets snapped, leave it. Now by holding Ctrl in the keyboard, bring this upward. Again repeat the same process, right click, duplicate, bring this here. When it gets snapped, leave it. Now by holding Ctrl in the keyboard, bring this stroke upward. Select out of the graphic to deselect. Now what I will do, I will select this, make a duplicate of this, right click, duplicate, select one more time so we get this rotation angle. Now rotate this to make it flat. Now bring this and place it here, leave it. When it gets snapped, now by hold Ctrl in the keyboard and now bring this out of the graphic like this. Now again make a duplicate of this, right click, duplicate, place it here. When it gets snapped, leave it. Now by holding Ctrl in the keyboard, bring this rightward. Now again make a duplicate of this, right click, duplicate, bring this here, leave it. When it gets snapped to this corner, now by holding Ctrl in the keyboard, bring this out of the graphic. Now again right click, duplicate, place it here. Now by holding Ctrl in the keyboard, bring this out of the graphic like this. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. Now grab this bezier pen tool, select this one. Now bring it here, select here. Now bring this down here, enter, select this one. Now make a duplicate of this, right click, duplicate, place it to this corner. Now again I will make a duplicate of this, select this one, right click, duplicate. Now select this one, flip selected object horizontally. Now by holding Ctrl in the keyboard, bring this to the right side to this corner. Leave it when it gets automatically snapped to this corner. Now again select this one, right click, duplicate and bring this upward to this corner. Leave it when it automatically gets snapped to this corner. Now select out of the graphic to deselect everything. Now again I will grab this bezier pen tool. Now come up here to this corner, select here. Now bring this down till here, select here. Now bring this to the leftward till here, select here. Now bring this down to this corner, select here. Now bring this here to the right side to this corner, select here. Now bring this up to this corner, select here. Now bring this to the starting point, select here, enter, select this one. Now come here to the stroke paint, select this no paint because we does not need any stroke to this corner. Now change the color, let's give it a red color. Now I will make a duplicate of this, right click, duplicate, click one more time so we get this rotation angle. Now by holding Ctrl in the keyboard, bring this upward, make this straight. Now bring this to this corner. When you bring this here, it will automatically get snapped to this side. Now change the color. Now again make a duplicate of this, right click, duplicate. We already have this rotation angle. Now by holding Ctrl in the keyboard, bring this upside down. Now place it here to this corner, change the color. Now repeat the process, right click, duplicate. Now by holding Ctrl in the keyboard, bring this, now place it here, change the color. Now by holding shift in the keyboard, select this remaining three graphics, this blue one, green one and this red one. Now by holding Ctrl in the keyboard, bring this to the right side. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. To zoom in and out like this, we can simply hold Ctrl in the keyboard and scroll the mouse up and down. And to drag this to the right or left, we can simply hold Ctrl in the keyboard, right click in the mouse and drag wherever you want, left, right, up or right. Now what I will do, I will grab over this whole graphic. Now I will delete this. So now we have our impossible square here. Now I will grab over this whole graphic, bring this here. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. Now we will give it a color. Let's select this. Now we will give a color to this impossible square. Now select this. For this tutorial I will be using this blue color palette. To this red one, give this blue color. Now select this green graphic, give this blue color. Now select this yellow graphic, give this one a little light color. Now select this graphic, now give this a dark color. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. Now I will drag over this whole graphic and come here to the opacity and bring the opacity all the way to the 100%. Now select out of the graphic to deselect everything. Now we have created a impossible triangle. So guys, that's how we can create a impossible square. Now what I will do, I will grab over this whole graphic. Now I will make a duplicate of this, right click, duplicate. Now by holding Ctrl in the keyboard, bring this here to the rightward. Now come here to the fill section, select this one no paint. Now come here to the stroke paint, give it a flat color. Now come here to the stroke style, give it a value of 10. it look good. We can notice here edges are pointing out of the graphic on all four sides, so we will get rid of this. Let's zoom in. Come up here. Now what I will do first drag over this whole graphic. Now come here to the path, stroke to path, path union. Now come up here, select out of the graphic to deselect. Now grab the bezier pen tool, bring it here, select it here. Now by holding control in the keyboard, bring this here, select, 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 select. Now bring here to the starting point, select, enter, select this one. Now come here to the stroke style and give it a width of 1 pixel. Now by holding shift in the keyboard, select this graphic, path, difference. Select out of the graphic, repeat the process, grab this bezier pen tool, select to this corner. Now by holding control in the keyboard, bring this upward, select, 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 select. Now bring here to the starting point, select, enter, select this one. Now by holding shift in the keyboard, select this graphic, path, difference. Now we will do the same to the all corners to get rid of these pointing edges. Now select out of the graphic, deselect, grab this bezier pen tool, bring it here. Now by holding control in the keyboard, bring this upward, select. Now let go of the control, select, select, select. Now bring here to the starting point, select, enter, select this one. By holding shift in the keyboard, select this graphic, path, difference. Select out of the graphic to deselect, again grab this bezier pen tool, select it here. Now by holding control in the keyboard, bring this rightward, select, let go of the control, select, select, select. Now bring here to the starting point, select here, enter, select this one. Now by holding shift in the keyboard, select this graphic, path, difference. Now again grab this bezier pen tool, select it here. Now by holding control in the keyboard, bring this down, select here, let go of the control, select, 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 bring here to the starting point, enter, select this one. Now by holding shift in the keyboard, select this graphic, path, difference. Select out of the graphic to deselect. Now again grab this bezier pen tool, select it here. Now by holding control in the keyboard, bring this here, click, let go of the graphic, select, select, select. Now bring here to the starting point, enter, select this one. Now by holding shift in the keyboard, select this graphic, path, difference. Now come here to this side, select out of the graphic to deselect, grab this bezier pen tool, select here. Now by holding control in the keyboard, bring this right side, now grab this bezier pen tool, select it here. Now by holding control in the keyboard, bring this outward, select here, let go of the control, select, select, select. Now bring here to the starting point, select, enter, select this one. Now by holding shift in the keyboard, select this graphic, path, difference. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. Now again grab this bezier pen tool, bring it here. Now by holding control in the keyboard, bring this outward, select here, let go of the control, select, select. Now bring here to the starting point, select here, enter, select this one. Now by holding shift in the keyboard, select this graphic, path, difference. Now we have get rid of the pointing edges. Now we will give it a color. We will be using a gradient mesh. Now come here to the fill, give it a linear gradient. Now press G to get this gradient tool. Now bring this square up here. Now bring this circle to this down here. Now select this one. Let's give this one this color. Now select it here in the middle 2 times, so we get this path here. Select this one, give this also a color. Now select this square, We will, for this, let's choose this color. Select out of the graphic to deselect. Now it look good. So guys, that's how we can create a impossible square using Inkscape. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section below. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel to get my all latest tips and tutorials. So guys, that's how we can create a impossible square using Inkscape. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section below. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to give a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel to get my all latest tips and tutorials on graphic designing. Thanks a lot for watching guys. See you in the next video. Now we will try this color gradient to this graphic. Select this graphic. Under this fill section, select this linear gradient. Now select this gradient color. Now come up here, select this. Now come under this fill section, linear gradient, select this. Now repeat this to this all. What we will do, we will select this. Now press G2, so we get this gradient rotation angle. Now we will place this here and this to this side. Let's place this to this side. Now select this, select out of the graphic to deselect. Now we will select this graphic, linear gradient, select this gradient color. Now we will select this graphic, again repeat the same process, linear gradient. Now select this color. Now press G. Now press G. Now select this, press G. Now select out of the graphic to deselect. Now select this one. Now press G, so we get this gradient rotation angle. Now place this square to the right side and bring this circle to the left side. Select out of the graphic to deselect. Now again select this whole graphic, group this. So guys, that's how we can create an impossible square using Inkscape. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section below. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to give a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel to get my all latest tips and tutorials. Thanks a lot for watching guys. See you in the next video.
Let's trace the hits and check the